Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video for your mobile device. So today I'm going to show you how you can check the logging activity on your Instagram application. That means you can see the devices that you logged previously your Instagram ID at once. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram profile, and now you can see your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click that option, and here you can see the straight three lines. Just click this straight three lines. Now go to settings and privacy, and now select account center here, and here select the option password and security, and now go to where you are logged in and select your ID. If you have my default ID, you can select the ID that you want to know. Just select here, and here all the devices that this ID is logged into. And if you want to logged out from any device, just click that device and select logged out, and again log out. And as you can see, my ID is logged out from that device. So in this way you can see your login activity and can also log out from that device automatically. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.